is all I can say, y'all. This is amazing. Raise your hand if this is your first time. Nice. So y'all are in for a treat. In for a treat. So my name is Stephanie Hadachek, and I'm the founder of This One's for the Gals. We're a nonprofit organization working to help girls explore careers in different industries. We focus on construction, energy, manufacturing, and maritime, from skilled trades to STEM. So whatever after high school looks like for you, we want to help you explore careers with companies that are literally right in your back door, right? And letting you know there's a place out there for you. You don't have to leave home to be successful, and you absolutely can be and do anything that you want. And that is what today is all about.
The waiting is over. Now we're taking in the glory. Together we have come alive, made it to the highest heights. It's finally happening. Just breathe in. Step by step we make the climb, awakening into the light. Magic is happening. Just breathe in.
I just knew I wanted something different. And the people who came and spoke about Valero were so excited. They were so excited and loved what they did. And that was what was more important to me. I wanted a job that I worked with great people, that I thought was fulfilling and rewarding.
When you're trying to figure out what you're going to do after school, I think it's important to just take a step back. Easier said than done, right? And then what is the biggest roadblock that you're facing? Is it what school you're going to? What degree are you looking to pursue? Once you start there, that's helpful to then figure out your next step.
It will all work out in time. There's just no scripted path that you're able to script and think, oh, I've got to go work here, I've got to do this type of role.
If you don't already have, especially if you're a junior, senior, don't have a LinkedIn profile, start building one. You can follow companies. You can kind of see what they're doing, what they're involved in. You find out if there's internships available. I would say that's like one of the bigger ways to connect with the industry. Outside of that, Google's your oyster, right? I mean, all the AI stuff that you have, like there's not any information that's out there that you don't have access to.
Today we have almost 500 students, 36 high schools from around the region. I don't even know what to say. I am beyond honored to have a front row seat to all that's happening to help you find your place in the workforce.